do this drawing right here, the practice drawing. This is to teach you how to use the tools properly. What I like to do is the first thing you do is you're going to use the T-square, put it against the board, put your paper right to it, and I'm going to bring it up a little bit high as I can get it to go up. So it's about here. So we're going to bring it to that, the paper touches the board, then you're going to take some masking tape, and you're going to tape your paper down to the board. So about 4 pieces. Maybe just 2 pieces. Let's put one up here. Okay, make it sure it's flat against the T-square. T-square is against here. Okay, we could probably get away with 2 pieces. We'll just put them on the bottom. Okay, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to divide this paper into 4 boxes, and then we're going to make this box another box. Okay, so the easiest way to do this is to go from corner to corner. Line up this corner and this corner. Draw a very light line in the middle. Then you're going to go from this corner to this corner. And again, draw another light line. Where those 2 points intersect, that's the perfect center. So I'm going to put a dot right there. Okay, I'm just going to erase some of it because I didn't need it to be so big. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to draw this line straight across. This is known as a horizontal line. I usually put it on my pencil mark first. Draw this line straight across. Okay, and then what we could do is we could actually take the T-square like this and draw the other line straight up and down. Okay, now we're going to divide this box into 2 places. Again, we're going to go from corner to corner, corner to corner. Okay, and then we're going to draw that line straight up and down. I can do it again like this. Put it on my mark. Okay, now I got all my boxes, so I'm going to number them. This is box number 1 from the drawing up there. Number 1. Number 2. Make them as neat as you can. 3. 4. And then 5. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do horizontal lines in box number 1. So to do horizontal lines, all I need is the T-square. Make sure this is always against it. And you're going to draw this line straight across till you get to the other end. And you're going to do this the whole thing like this. The whole box. Just go all the way down and fill it all up. Okay, notice, just take a notice here that I'm keeping this always against, keeping it nice. I'm always keeping the angle of my pencil the same exact way. Okay, and I'm estimating the space. Okay, just estimate the space. About a 1/4 inch, maybe a little more. Okay, and you're going to fill this whole box up. Try to stay in the box. Okay, now this one is box number 2. You're going to either use this triangle or you can use this triangle. Okay, again, you're going to keep this against. You're going to keep your T-square on here, and you're going to bring these lines straight down. And you just slide this. Notice I'm keeping this always square. I'm just sliding it down, keeping the angle of the pencil the same every time. Okay, this next box here is a 45-degree angle. This is a 45. So I'm going to take it like this. Okay, next one is a 60. It's this angle. 60. Notice this is always square. All right, and then the last one, okay, box number 5 is a 30. It goes like this. Okay, now I forgot to put my lettering on it. My lettering should go here, but I'm going to put it here. So what I have to do for my lettering is I have to draw a very light line, and then make it about 1/8 inch. And I want you to put your last name. These are guidelines. And I want you to put your last name in all capital letters. Now I can finish this. Notice that I'm keeping this square. You getting this whole thing? This is all square. Okay. Now when I get to my letters, it's all done.